What's up YouTube? Kainu back here for another video. Today I'm going to show you how to delay your microphone. So if there's any sort of delay between your camera and your microphone, you're going to be able to fix that. But let's get into it. Alright, so let's get into this tutorial. So currently I'm recording my OBS with Streamlabs OBS. But the first thing I want you guys to do is go down to settings in OBS and then click on output and then recording and then find your recording path. So this is where your actual recordings are saved to when you click on the start recording button. So once you have that information, you're gonna click on OK, and then you're gonna come down and click on start recording. Once you click on start recording, just say about a paragraph of words and then you're good to go. Click on stop recording right there, and then you're going to open up that file location that we actually just had, and you're going to go to your most recent recording and you're going to click on it, start recording. Once you click on start recording, just say about a paragraph of words and then you're good to go. Click on stop recording. All right, now that we've listened to it, we do hear a bit of a delay between the microphone and the actual camera itself. I already know my specific delay, but you're gonna have to do this a few times if this is your first time doing it. So next up, to actually create that delay, you're gonna come down to microphone and click on the little cog next to it right here. You're gonna click on advanced audio properties right there. So right here, you see your microphone active, 0 dB, balance, and then this is what we're looking for, sync offset. So I know that my sync offset is 700 milliseconds. So that means that my camera is 700 milliseconds behind my microphone. So I need to delay my microphone 700 milliseconds. All right, so once I click on close right there, it's gonna be saved. And then now I'm gonna go back in and click on recording again. And then I'm just gonna say a few words so that we can see that the actual microphone is now synced up with the camera. So you're gonna click on stop recording right there. And then I'm gonna open it back up again. I don't know why I closed that. So wait for it to load up, give it a second. Mine takes a little bit because I have a lot of recordings, but I believe that's it. Yep, that should be it right there. I'm recording again. And then I'm just gonna say a few words so that we can see that the actual microphone is now synced up with the camera. So, all right, as you can see, my microphone is now synced up with the camera. As I said before, you're probably gonna have to do it probably 4, 5, or 6 times to actually get the microphone synced up with the camera. Typically, from my experience, the delay is 500 to 800 milliseconds. So I would start at 500 and go up to 800 if this is your first time doing this. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section, and then I'll link everything in the description. And then finally, don't forget to like and subscribe, and then don't forget to take it easy.